Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating wall art using Dollar Tree items. There are only 5 noodles in this video, but I used a total of 6. I'm going to first start off by folding the noodles and cutting them in half. And the lengths don't have to be perfect because they will be rolled in gold poster boards. After I've cut all 6 pool noodles in half, I'm going to start cutting my poster boards in half. And I'll be doing that by folding them in half and then cutting them down the middle with scissors. And I'll be using a total of 6 poster boards. Now that all the poster boards are cut, I'm going to start rolling them with the pool noodles. And I'm going to be using this clear tape to do so. So I'm putting 1 piece of tape in the middle and then 1 on each side. After that, I'm flipping the pool noodle around and rolling the poster board over the noodle. And I'm rolling it as tight as I can so it will give it a firm look. And like I did before, I'm putting 1 tape in the middle and then 1 on each side. And then I'm going to take the tape and go down the middle. And this will be the back. So this is how it should look, and I'm going to make 11 more like this. And as you can see, the pool noodle is not as long as the poster board, and that is good because we will be folding the sides in later. And this is how they looked when they were all completed. Next, I'll be folding the sides like I just mentioned, and I'm just pushing it down and creasing the sides of it. And I'll be doing all 12 the same way. After they were all done, I took my scissors and I started to cut around the curve. So I did cut a little slit on each side and then I turned it around and cut the curve in the back. And this is the shape it created. And I apologize, you all can't really see this part, but I'm doing the same thing, cutting the curve off in the back until I finish all 12. Next, I'll be using this metallic car trim that I got from AutoZone, and I will be trimming those curves that I just cut out. So I'm just placing the trim at the top, and I am going around the curve with it, and I'm going to cut off the extra trim. And this trim does have adhesive on the other side, and it is very sticky. So I will be doing the top and the bottom of each one. And when I was finished with that, I took my foam board and I cut off 7 inches from the top using my marker and my box cutter. And after that was done, it was time for me to glue on my pool noodles. So you can do any pattern you like, but I decided to do an up and down pattern. So one noodle will be down and the other one will be up. And make sure you use a combination of E6000 and hot glue. And also make sure you're holding the noodles down until they dry. And this is my last noodle, and as you can see, there's some foam board still sticking out on the side, and all I did was take my box cutter and cut it off. And I then took that piece of foam board that I cut off earlier, and I'm going to be reattaching it on top of the other piece of foam board that's on the back. Next, I'm taking this metallic tape and I'm going to be doing 2 strips across the middle. And if you don't have metallic tape, you can use duct tape. And I am making sure that the tape is taped to the back of the board also. Now that that is done, I am going to be using Mod Podge, Crush Mirror, and glitter. And they will be used to decorate the middle of the decor. And you don't necessarily need Crush Mirror for this project. It's just to add a little razzle dazzle to it. So I am covering everything with glitter first, and then I am going over again with the Crush Mirror. But I'm putting most of the Crush Mirror on the tape, and I am sprinkling just a little bit on top of the glitter on the sides. And I'm going to be doing the same thing for the other side. And what I am trying to achieve is a ombre look where the middle is the fullest and the sides of the middle are a little thinner. So that's why there's mainly glitter on the sides and then there's crushed mirror in the middle where the tape is. After this part is done, I'm going to let it dry and I am going to go over it one more time with Mod Podge. So make sure you don't forget that step. Next, I'll be taking 4 of these blocks that I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to be gluing them to the back of the foam board. Next, I'll be taking these hook hangers that I got from the Home Depot and I'll be attaching 2 of them on either side. And this was the outcome of my project. This was so easy to make and I freaking love it. It is so beautiful and inexpensive. I made this definitely under $20. And the great thing about this project is that you can make it bigger if you like or smaller. Let me know in the comments how you all feel about this project. Let me know if you think I should have done something differently or you like it just the way it is. And thank you all for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later, Glitter Babes.